Seva, Society for Empowering Women to Achieve, Enable, Enrich, Empower. The power of giving is greater than the power of receiving. With this beautiful thought, Seva was formally launched by Mrs. Mamta Trivedi, its founder-president, along with Mrs. India 2019 finalist from Telangana, with support from the core committee members and the entire Mrs. India Telangana family. The driving force behind the Seva initiative is Mrs. Mamta Trivedi's vision of giving back to the society. It is a platform for women to collaborate with people who have been working towards various social causes. The launch was a grand success and was very well received by various media platforms. As a team, Seva extended its support to Roshni in its crusade against suicide on September 10, 2019, the World Suicide Prevention Day. Seva members attended the candlelight vigil organized by Roshni to create awareness about suicide and steps that can be taken to prevent suicide. It moved forward with the thought that say no to suicide and say yes to life. The Department of Language and Culture, Telangana Government and Womania Inspirace, in association with TCEI Women Entrepreneurs Club, organized Bathukamma 2019, the most colourful and floral festival of Telangana, to which only selected NGOs were invited. Team members of Seva participated wholeheartedly in the celebrations, making the Bathukamma at the venue, playing joyfully and also going through the rituals associated with the festival. The spirit of Bathukamma is about living life and overcoming the challenges that we face. Seva, as a part of its initiative Empathy, partnered with Coliseum in its fight against depressions. Coliseum Productions held their premiere of their first short film Ayan, which encourages people to open up about problems with people close to them. Problems could be big or small. Seva members pledged to fight against depression. At Seva, one of our initiatives is to enhance the quality of life of women through health and hygiene. October being the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, as a part of Women Be Victorious initiative of Dr. Geeta Nagashri and Aswin's Cancer Foundation to create awareness about breast cancer, Seva presented an educative and entertaining skit, not only highlighting the various aspects of fighting the disease, but also conveyed a strong positive message inspiring women to emerge victorious. Mrs. Mamta Trivedi, founder-president of Seva, and the other Seva members participated in the skit.
तो क्या हार मान हथियार डाल दूंगी? मैं तो वीरांगना हूँ, डटकर लड़कर जीत का सामना करूंगी.
I am Deepa Saxena, Mrs. India Telangana First Runner-Up 2018 and Mrs. India Timeless Beauty 2018. And I'm also a member of Seva, which is an NGO to help women in distress. I am here because I am myself two-time cancer survivor, and the last one was the breast cancer.
Chief guest, Honorable Governor of Himachal Pradesh, His Excellency Shri Bandara Dattatreya, appreciated the concept and gave mementos to all the Seva members who participated in the skit. Team Seva visited Suman Autism Center and interacted with special kids. Seva joins hands with Madhav Autism Foundation to create awareness about autism, about kids whose brain develops differently from other normal children. Each of these kids is unique in his or her own way. On the occasion of Children's Day, Seva members, who are also Mrs. India Telangana Queens, walked the ramp along with autistic children to create awareness about autism among people through an event, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi, organized along with Madhav Autism Foundation. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Telangana, Shri Mohammad Mahmood Ali, pledged support to the noble cause and promised monetary support to a few children. Founder President Seva, Mrs. Mamta Trivedi, acknowledged the efforts and sacrifices made by the parents of these special children. It is an honor for Mrs. Mamta Trivedi to be the Goodwill Ambassador of the Akshaya Patra Foundation, which works tirelessly to provide midday meals to more than 18 lakh students every school day. But there is a lot more to be done. Soon came the day of discovery and fulfillment for Seva members on visiting the Akshaya Patra Foundation. The visit was planned with the aim to understand how the food is made and delivered hygienically, completely untouched by hand. Members also had their lunch at TAPF, which was not only healthy but tasty. Seva has partnered with TAPF in its fight against classroom hunger by creating awareness, providing voluntary services, visiting their schools, and also by raising funds. Post this visit, Seva, in the partnership of Akshay Patra Foundation, has adopted the Zilla Parishad High School, Jacharla, to empower the next generation. Seva will fund the entire year's expenses towards midday meals provided to all the children studying in the school, apart from providing them with plates and tumblers. Seva will also aid in the overall growth of the women of tomorrow by doing all that is possible: fight hunger, support education, contribute to nation building. Every small step matters. On the occasion of International Women's Day, Seva, in collaboration with Smriti Goyal, women leadership coach and founder, the coaching anchor, conducted a workshop titled Each for Equal, reflecting the theme for International Women's Day 2020. Difficult times are times that bring out the best in you. This is the time when humanity wins against all odds. As the country collectively fights the coronavirus, Mrs. Beautiful Heart, winner of Mrs. India Andhra Pradesh 2019 in the Super Classic category and member of Seva, Mrs. Padmavati Kodali, took the help of local police and distributed food and water not only to police personnel but also to 350 migratory workers in Vijayawada. Dr. Shobha Devi Nakanna, winner of Mrs. India Telangana 2019 and Mrs. India 2019 in the Super Classic category, a member of Seva and an eminent leading diabetes specialist, has been offering her services free for all diabetes patients requiring follow-up or advice during the lockdown period. The Akshay Patra Foundation had come up with a COVID-19 disaster relief care package that could provide dry ration to one adult for 21 days at a very low cost. Seva members contributed to this initiative taken by Akshay Patra. The greatest joy of living comes from the joy of giving. Sometimes we can't let go of memories because they are constant reminders to a great ongoing story. A visit down the memory lane helps you relive the golden days. Seva has a long way to go, but we are far ahead from where we had started and we are proud of it.